One of America's safest cities, Murrieta is routinely ranked as one of the safest cities in the nation. Murrieta truly offers the complete package: affordability, safety, great schools, and a fantastic location. Just like this beautiful single-story home. Let's go inside and take a look. If you're a home buyer looking to maximize your budget and quality of life in Southern California, Murrieta and this beautiful home should be at the top of your list. If you're interested in this property, reach out anytime. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.